leaving Moab now. We are on our way to Arizona. Well, we're gonna go see Forrest Gump Hill now, but Moab was fun.
Moab was fun.
I'd come back.
Yeah.
Maybe get dune buggies next time. All right, off to the next one. We left Moab and headed toward Monument Valley. Now, unfortunately, because of COVID, Monument Valley was shut down. If it's open when you go out to Utah, we highly recommend going. It looks super awesome from what we've seen, but there was still another stop we decided to go to. I was watching a YouTube video, shout out to Andrew Levitt. I saw that they went out to Forrest Gump Hill, which is apparently in Utah. We can't confirm that, but Amanda and I are trying to go see it. There's been no signs so far. Not many people either. There was a couple cars right there. We're gonna go try to find this viewpoint and recreate the running scene from Forrest Gump.
I had run for 3 years, 2 months, 14 days, and 16 hours.
I'm getting pretty tired now. Amanda, you mind driving? This was by far our longest day of driving. The southern part of Utah into Arizona is just a bunch of desert and a lot of rock formations. Hey, pretty lady, where are you going? Can I give you a ride?
Absolutely.
So that is Utah's sign, and that is Arizona. Arizona, you need to up your sign game. Come on. Welcome to Arizona. All right. We're gonna try to hit 100 in the Versa. Come on, baby. Woo! Oh yeah! What do you think about that?
I'm surprised.
Now, the reason we dipped into Arizona, ashamedly, was because of an Instagram post. There was this site we had to see if it looked anything as cool as it does in pictures online.
This is one of the prettiest things I've ever seen in my entire life.
Also, very precarious. You stand on these edges to take pictures, and it is a drop. Horseshoe Bend was easily one of the most spectacular views we've ever seen. So good that we saw it at sunset and sunrise. And although both were gorgeous, we highly recommend going at sunset because the way the light hits the river and the gorge and the bend, it's just incredible. Eating a Pop-Tart. With that as the view this morning. I don't know if you can tell on camera the perspective of how big this thing is, but there's some people camping down here. Look at this. All the way down there. What? Colorado River. It'll go all the way down to the Grand Canyon. Talked to a guy yesterday though who said this view might be better than the Grand Canyon.
It's so windy.
It's like a sandstorm started happening out here. It like pelts you in the face. It kind of hurts. We're gonna make it.
Have to close your eyes.
Never been in a sandstorm before.
I'm on Tatooine.
We arrived at our dinner spot.
Look,
Birdhouse.
Oh
my gosh, they saved a spot for us. How great. Alright, so this is the Birdhouse. Amanda, what do you think?
So good, affordable. Food came miraculously fast.
You got the honey chicken
Mm-hmm.
and fries, and I got the original.
So good.
I mean, this stuff is awesome. After you go see Horseshoe Bend, come over to Birdhouse.
It's like 7 minutes away.